Alright guys, out here at Ruge's Topless Day. Brought the Comanche, brought the Cherokee. Give you a walk around of the place. But first, let me give you a walk around of our Jeeps. Today's mainly for Wranglers, but it said other Jeeps are accepted, and I just sold my Wranglers, so I just brought these ones. Gonna do a full walk around video that will be up on my page if you want to see that for her Jeep as well. But give you a quick little sneak peek. See if we win anything today. Got a bunch of ducks. Turtleback. JLs, 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 JL, 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 JK. But we finally got a CJ down here, CJ5. Full build sheet and everything. Levi seats. I gave you for the best in show. Didn't feel like it was right to vote for myself. And the YJ is definitely my favorite. JK, JL, 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 JK, JL, JK, JL, JL. And we got a YJ down there. Finally another YJ. It's probably, most of them are all JKs and JLs because that's mainly what's on the road nowadays. YJ is pretty clean. Frame's clean. JK, JL, JL. WJ down here. I think I actually saw a different one. TJ rolling out. Let's see, we got a WJ there and another WJ there. Hold up. Take a look at this TJ. She definitely gets used and abused. Feisty ginger. Look at that. Walk over this WJ because it's probably the most built WJ here. There's actually 3 of these here. I didn't think many people upgraded these. TJ. I just sold my JK. If I found a TJ that had a clean frame and everything, I'd buy a TJ.
Come on, the guy showed the wall.
Got a Mike Wazowski Jeep over here. Oh, look at that. Mike Wazowski and Sully. Would you look at that? Even got the grill inserts. I've never seen that before. I've even got the little toppers. That's cute. JL, JK. JK's not bad. Rubicon. Here's the other Comanche. This guy has the same wheels as my wife's Cherokee. This is the 91. 91 came with the headrest. So that's the one thing I'm jealous of. This thing's only got 33,000 on the dash. You're good. Look at this guy. We're dancing. Look at his wipers. Look at those big old train horns too. I need him to let those go. Look at this rooftop. Look, he got everything in here.
Yeah, I mean, I just like.
Could live in here. I think sick. There's a special Jeep down here. You guys got to see this one. It's got the face popping out of it. This Jeep was definitely the craziest. Got a George Romero quote on the dashboard. He's the one that did the Life of the Living Dead zombie movies. Hardtop is definitely painted with like house paint. I appreciate it because it's a build, and I appreciate all builds. Objects and mirrors are zombies. This one's pretty crazy. TJ, JK. And yeah, they're doing free hot dogs, popcorn, raffles, trophies. They're doing it right over here at Hughes. It's a nice hair over here. Let me show you guys. We give honorable mention to the clean TJ. I don't really see him this clean anymore. I guarantee you this thing's got low mileage. It's a TJ though, so I can't see the mileage unless it's on. The hair is nice though. It's got the pockets. It's got the pockets on the doors as well. AC. And I love the soft top on these. Paint's a little faded, but that's nothing. Got a CJ5. The wagon wheels. Simple dash. That's all you had back in the day. You know how fast you were going, that's about it.
The Mopar custom.
Mopar hole.
Custom.
Nobody knows that covers up a hole.
Yeah, well, yeah, you gotta make
TJ's
it
clean. Here's another YJ.
Looking around for a big new trail rated emblem. I put it right over that.
Where did you get that? Did you make it yourself?
Well, that's all for today. I'm out of here. Day was nice. I won nothing, but didn't plan on winning because I showed up an hour late. But it was nice to see everything. Catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.